So today we're going to talk about something that's near and dear to my heart that can save you time, money, and headache during an escrow transaction. Dishwashers. Because it's so important, I'm going to bring my friend over. His name is Alexyu, fellow agent, and he'll talk about a few things as well with me. And I said before this, my friend and fellow real estate agent, Alexyu. So Alex, what's the most important thing that you can tell us, our viewers, about dishwashers?
Really great question. What we find a lot and what you don't want to do is make it a very expensive appliance, aka mechanical dish rack.
So you don't want a mechanical dish rack?
Correct.
All right.
It's a waste of money.
It's a waste of money. Next thing we'll talk about are a few things that you need to know about real estate and dishwashers.
Number one, for you sellers out there, if you have a dishwasher, and it could be a $5,000 dishwasher, but it hasn't been used in 10 years, if it no longer works because you didn't use it, you're probably going to have to buy the buyer a new one.
And number two, for you buyers out there, the dishwasher is important because during the home inspection, the home inspector will test it. I've been a part of a couple home inspections where we tested it and all of a sudden it floods. That's a big deal. Number three, cultural differences. Now, I grew up in an Asian household. Alex, did you grow up in an Asian household?
Actually, I also grew up in an Asian household.
What a coincidence. What did your mom tell you about dishwashers?
Well, I actually didn't know it was a dishwasher. Maybe that was the biggest problem. This is where you put everything after you wash it. So there was some washing going on, but it was not by this machine.
My mom told me you wash it by hand, you put it in there to dry. It's a very expensive drying rack, doesn't it?
It is, because it looks like it was specifically designed for that.
So now all our moms are very knowledgeable, have good advice, but we as real estate agents ask you, please use your dishwasher. Don't listen to your mom for this one particular thing.
That is great advice, Anthony.
Thank you, Alex.
Number four, if you don't use it, it's gonna start to get really dirty and filthy.
And for some reason, number five, for some reason, let's just say you don't use your dishwasher. You saw this video way too late. Where's a good time or place to buy dishwashers?
Well, actually, there's a lot of great places, but the best time to actually buy a dishwasher is during the holidays. Memorial Day, Labor Day, Independence Day, and Black Friday. So if you haven't been using it,
Just wait and get a good deal. Everyone likes a good deal, right? And thank you for watching.